Looks like we have a consultation with a father who has some potential enforcement issues going on, and he's also interested in talking about flipping custody.
Blair Thomas,
Yeah?
you've been served.
What is this for?
It's probably because of your OnlyFans account.
We recognize that being served is a sensitive matter. Please be advised that the individuals shown in the serving footage have agreed to allow their experience to be used for this program. They were offered monetary compensation in exchange for their consent. This compensation was offered after the serving took place, and their consent was obtained prior to airing.
Trying to see what I have on the schedule today. Elena's off today. My right-hand woman is not here to keep the flow of the office. She definitely keeps everything in line. So trying to take care of it on my own today. Looks like we have a consultation with a father who has some potential enforcement issues going on. Seems like someone might be violating an order, and he's also interested in talking about flipping custody. So I guess we'll see what today brings.
I'm good. How are
Lauren,
you?
nice to meet you.
Good to see you.
So what are we doing today?
We need to talk about some things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let's chit chat.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
You got 3 pins because it's gonna be a lot.
This is gonna be a lot.
It's gonna be a lot.
3 pins take me back to law school. Please don't. What's going on?
A lot is going on.
A lot. Okay.
My ex is crazy.
That's what they all say, Patrick.
Yeah.
Is she really that bad?
What? Let me tell you the story, and then you can be the judge.
Okay.
We met in high school.
Okay.
High school sweethearts. Grade 12, and popped out our baby girl.
Okay. So you have a daughter. Okay.
I have a daughter, and she's 9. She just turned 9. My ex she has an OnlyFans account.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. We're split up, but
Okay.
she doesn't let me see my daughter.
Okay. Do you have a court order?
I do.
Okay. So she's violating. Okay.
Yes, she is violating.
I'm gonna need to get a copy of that from you.
You can have every copy you need.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Current court order. All right. So she's violating. What else is going on? Because that's a no-no.
Yeah. So I follow her, of course. Of course, my daughter. Every kid has every social media account. And I see my baby girl just dancing and doing some crazy things.
Wiggling around. She's acting a little too grown.
Acting too grown, so I'm like, something needs to change. I need to get custody of her. I'm the responsible one, not taking her around those type of things. So I don't know what to do.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Well, first, let's address the fact that she's violating a court order. That's a no-no.
Okay.
I hope you've been tracking those violations because that'll be important. Okay.
Oh, for
so
sure.
I need to first confirm that you're following the order and showing up at the date, place, and time that your order says you're supposed to be.
Okay.
And if you're doing those things, if mom is not where she's supposed to be,
Mm-hmm.
then that's an enforcement suit. Now,
Okay.
the punishment for that is a plenty different range. You can
Mm-hmm.
punish her civilly, criminally. I don't know if you're trying to stick her in jail. Or if you
Everything.
you want everything.
Everything.
Okay.
Everything. Uh-huh.
Because you could do civil contempt too and
Okay.
make her pay your attorney's fees and all kinds.
Please.
But we can ask for everything and see what sticks.
She got the OnlyFans money, so she can afford it.
She can afford it? Okay.
Please.
Well, we'll address that
Okay.
portion for the enforcement suit first. We got to it's a very technical lawsuit. So I'll
Okay.
need to read the order and make sure
Sure.
that your order is also enforceable. Now, this custody thing.
Okay.
You want to take custody from mom. Why?
I don't want my baby girl around those type of things,
A bad influence?
Bad influence.
If I had $1 for every time someone told me they wanted custody for whatever reason, I could have retired years ago. But in this situation, I mean, it's a little bit messy. Yes, saying that she has a OnlyFans account it might make some people gasp, right? But honestly, that doesn't in itself make her a bad mom. So sometimes we have to take our feelings out of it and think about legally what options that you have. So when it comes to flipping custody, it is not easy. You got to have a compelling reason. I think it's going to be very important to show that mom is either endangering the child's physical or emotional well-being.
Okay.
Is mom on drugs? Is she on meth? Give me something more than the fact that she has an OnlyFans account.
I don't think she's on those type of things. She might drink.
Okay,
I know she drinks, but I don't know, you might catch her on the act of
But
drinking too
everybody
much.
drinks. I mean, I drink. You drink. You don't drink.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, you're right. I don't know.
We got to have something to show that it is not in the child's best interest to stay with mom.
Gotcha.
And to be honest with you, just saying she has an OnlyFans account is not going to get us there, because I remember when the judge ruled that the mom could keep the child and they were homeless living in a shelter.
Wow. Okay.
And the judge said, well, she's providing a roof over the little girl's head.
Sure. Okay.
Nonetheless. So, how about this? Subscribe.
I'm already subscribed.
Give me the login.
I will give you everything you need.
I'll do the digging.
I'll save the videos and send them to you so you can check it out.
And I'll check it out and see if there's anything in there we can use. But we're going to table the custody part for now.
Okay.
And I'm going to see if we got anything on the enforcement.
I'm ready.
That sounds like a good start.
Yes, please.
Now that I have the login, I have some other things to say.
Really?
Oh yeah, baby girl is up to no good.
What you mean?
I'll save that for the courtroom. Where can we get this young lady served?
Let me think. So, of course, she's on OnlyFans, so she's just showing everybody where she's going.
Okay, she has a lot of followers.
Tons. Before she even gets there, she's like, this is where I'm going.
Okay,
so you just hop on her Instagram account, and she'll show you exactly where she's going to be at.
So she's my every move.
Every move.
Headed to the mall.
Headed to the mall. I'm getting my nails done. Doing my next scene. I'm just like, you don't got to tell everybody that.
Perfect. Well, let me know where she's going to be. My process server is usually in the downtown area. If she happens to be here, let us know.
And she lives in downtown, so she's always everywhere.
Perfect.
Let's do it.
Let me know when she says anything, and we'll get out and get her served.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
All right, no problem. So I'll just put a to be continued on this, and we'll determine that. So I will send me the documents first.
I will.
We got to make sure we have a viable lawsuit here. If we do, I'll get everything filed, get her served, and let's see if you have a perfect case to flip custody. We don't know yet. This is a big question mark.
All right, let's do it. I'm ready.
And I think this is going to be a great pair. We're going to work well together and get the best result for your daughter. That's what's most important.
Exactly.
It was really great meeting with you today. We'll get all your information from you and take it from there.
Perfect.
Any questions from me?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
All right. And on your way, I'll make sure you grab a praline, okay?
Oh, I will. I'll grab 3.
Take 3. 1 for your baby and
2 for me.
2 for you.
Yeah, let's go.
Lovely. I love it. All right. Have a good one.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
See you. Come on. Most of the times, you guys make it really easy for me to find you. You put all your business on social media, your whereabouts. You don't even post about it after you've left. You just lead me right to you. Just lead me right to you. And I did see that she happened to be at one of my favorite restaurants. I said, this is going to be great. Maybe you can grab me something to go while you're there. No?
You talking about the... No.
One of my favorites, too. You remember that one?
I remember the restaurant. Blair Thomas?
Yes.
You've been served.
What is this for?
Oh, good times.
No, that wasn't a good time.
No?
No. And probably something to do with your OnlyFans account. When I got there to serve her the paperwork, she actually threw the liquor drink at me. And I had to leave. And then when I left,
My man?
You have a good one.
when I left, she was throwing paperwork at me,
You should not be in my way.
doing whatever she wanted to, just being crazy.
I'm glad you told me that now.
Oh no, yeah,
She
that
threw
was
a drink at you?
Yeah, that was the worst time I've
Assault
had
charges?
in a while.
Hello? 911? I would like to report a crime.
Oh no, never again.
A drink on you? Assault? This girl about to have more problems in a little bit.
Yeah, I don't know what to do about that.
Oh, don't worry. I know what to do about that.